Good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Al-Shakidin bin Muhammad Saufi. My metric number is 01DE24F1102. And this is my friend.
My name is Muhammad Akil bin Muhammad Faizal and my number is 01DE24F1121.
Today, we will present our mini hydro power project, which demonstrates how small water flow can be used to generate renewable energy efficiently and sustainably. This project is designed to show practical way to harness local water source for electricity generation with minimal environmental impact.
Firstly, we look at the location. The location we selected is a small man-made water channel near JKE. Although the water flow here is relatively small, similar to a drainage canal, it is sufficient for our mini hydro demonstration project. One of the main advantage of this location is that use existing water channel, so there is no need for building large dams or causing flooding. This greatly reduces environmental disturbance and preserves natural ecosystem around the area. Additionally, the proximity to JKE makes it accessible for maintenance and monitoring. This practical setup highlights how even modest water resources can be effectively utilized for power generation.
System operation. Okay, we look at block diagram. Let me explain how the system operates. Water flow from the source into the penstock, which is essentially a pipe that directs the water flow with increased pressure. This pressurized water hits the turbine blade, causing the turbine to spin. The turbine is connected to a generator, which converts the mechanical energy from the turbine into electrical energy. Finally, this electricity is supplied to the load, which could be anything from small electrical appliance to lighting system. After passing through the turbine, the water is returned safely back to the channel via the terrace.
Next, we look in components. Our mini hydro power system consists of a few key components. First, the water source, which provides the flowing water. Second, the penstock, which channels the water under pressure to the turbine. Third, the turbine, which converts water energy into mechanical energy by spinning. Fourth, the generator, which transforms the turbine's mechanical rotation into electrical energy. Lastly, the load, which is the device or system that use the electricity generated. These components work together to create a simple, efficient power generation system.
Impact and contribution to the community. Now, let's discuss how this project benefits the community and environment. The mini hydro system generates clean and renewable energy by harnessing flowing water, eliminating the need for fossil fuels and reducing harmful emissions. This contributes to a cleaner environmental and helps combat climate change. Moreover, by promoting the use of sustainable energy source, the system supports long-term environmental goals. It can provide reliable electricity to local areas, reducing dependence on the main power grid and supporting energy independence. The project also demonstrates how small-scale renewable energy system can be integrated into existing infrastructure with minimal disruption.
Parameters. Finally, the key parameters we use to design the system are as follows. The flow rate of the water is 0.1. Cubic meter per second, meaning that every second 0.1 cubic meters of water move through the system. The head or the vertical height from which the water falls is 5 meters. The head creates the pressure needed to spin the turbine efficiently. Our system operates at about 70% efficiency, indicating that 70% of the water's energy is converted into electricity. We also use standard constants such as the density of water, which is 1000 kg per cubic meter, and gravity 9.81 meters per second squared. For accurate power calculations using these parameters, the system can produce approximately 3.4 kilometers of power, which is enough to power several small devices or lighting systems like this.
In conclusion, this mini hydro project demonstrates the potential of utilizing small water flows in man-made channel to generate sustainable, clean electricity. The system is environmental friendly, cost-effective, and practical for local use without causing harms to the ecosystem. It shows how renewable energy can be implemented even in place with modest water resource, contributing positively to community energy needs and environmental goals. Thank you for your attention.